Hello everyone, are you looking for a professional printing solution for wallpaper, curtains and home decor? Our UV roll-to-roll printer is designed to deliver outstanding print quality on a wide range of flexible materials. It can print on wallpaper, canvas, PVC, vinyl, blackout fabric, sunscreen fabric, and almost any type of curtain fabric, producing vibrant color with excellent durability. What makes this printer truly special is its ability to create embossing and texture effect, giving your prints a premium 3D looks and a luxurious feel. Whether you want elegant wallpaper design, customized curtain or high-end interior decoration materials, this printer can bring your ideas to life with precision and efficiency. It combines high-speed production, stable performance, and advanced UV printing technology, making it an ideal choice for manufacturers, printing business, and home decor companies. If you are looking to expand your business with premium quality textured printing, our UV roll-to-roll printer is the perfect investment. Contact us today to learn more about its feature and application. Thank you.